Hello everyone, it's Discount Diva here. I did stop at the Dollar Tree. I wanted to see what new items they had, and I did find 2 new items that was quite interesting to me. I mean, it's not out of this world's amazing, but it's cute and I picked it up. So here goes. I started with this bag. I thought it was so beautiful. Look at that. Look at the details of the flowers. There's a tulip. There's so many different types of flowers, and it's a nice tote bag. This is what I use to put my stuff in that I purchased today. And this one is the tag is in there because I pulled it out. Main Street Totes Reusable Bags. And the style is called a Real Bouquet. See that? And it's by Mainstream Totes. So I thought this was gorgeous. Even if you want to, you know, give it as a present. Put the present in here. And it's so pretty. Very elegant, very pretty, gorgeous. They had butterflies and they had another one, but this one to me stuck out. Even if you want to use it just for other things, like I like to use these kind of bags as my lunch bag. I had previously hauled this one that I had, Good Vibes Only, and I use it for my lunch bag and my other miscellaneous things. But I feel like maybe I'll switch over to the Real Bouquet bag because it's really pretty. And so from my previous hauls, I had hauled some candles, and I got to find them again in another Dollar Tree. I will get to those, but I thought these were a new item. They're called fruit snacks, and they're by Crayola. It's 6 pouches, and I picked up 2 boxes. Why? 1 for each of my daughters so that they don't fight. Of course, they're not going to eat 8 pouches each, but I like to just pick up 2. And now I have learned with my Dollar Tree experiences of shopping to always pick up 2 or 3 items, because if I pick up 1 and I love it, I go back and they're gone. So when you see a nice item that you haven't seen, you pick it up. Also, I do want to tell you that I saw a lot of Toy Story 4 crayons, a 3-pack. I saw Toy Story 4 crayon books, color and paint, and Lion King. So I thought that was really nice. I haven't seen those. So this will be my candle haul. The last haul, I had showed you that I had picked up the Tropical Coconut Delicate Verbena. And this is a repeat of a purchase because I did burn. And the whole kitchen was smelling like coconut, nice, just tropical. Love. And you know what? It's a very nice, strong scent for $1. So I went back and repurchased these. And this Dollar Tree that I just came to had 3. So, it's still, you know, it says make your dreams happen. So it's definitely making my dreams happen because it's making my house smell nice. So I picked up 3. And then these, to me, are new. I don't know if they're new to anyone else, but I picked these up. And it's the Mango Coconut. I like how it says Candle Bougie. Have you guys noticed that in the back it says that? Oh, it's a bougie scent. I like that. Or does candle and bougie mean in another language candle? Okay. But anyway, I like the decor of it. It's a flamingo with like flowers and just, you know, like you're in the Caribbean somewhere. Nice. I like the smell. So I'm gonna burn these 2. I'm gonna try these out. So I picked that up. I picked up Grapefruit and Bergamot. And I also like the design of this. This reminds me of just summer. and the scent is very nice. And you know what? You can use this for other things. Once you pop out the wax and you burn it, you could just use this, you know, to put your little knickknacks. And it's cute because you can cover it up, or like nails, miscellaneous things you have around the house. And you could use this also as organization after you burn the candle. So far we have the mango coconut. Again, guys, I don't have the heat on. I mean, the heat on. There is a lot of heat in here. No, I don't have the AC on. So again, I picked up the mango coconut, the grapefruit and bergamot, and lime margarita. That does sound delicious. A nice lime margarita on the rocks. Ooh, just like the way that picture looks. Doesn't that look delicious? On this nice hot day, just having a nice lime margarita. Well, I'm not gonna have a lime margarita, but I will be burning this lime margarita candle. And this smells very nice. Oh, I like that. And it has little limes, like on the leaves, on the tree, on the branches. You see that? How cute is that? That's adorable. Anywho, small haul, but this was my candle haul. So I picked up in total 6. 3 of the dreams make your dreams happen. Ooh, all right. You know what? I'm gonna stand these up again. See, let me try this again. Ah! Or not. All right, boom. I just made a tower of the candles. So 3 of make your dreams happen and 3 of the tropical ones. So altogether 6. And it's going back in my beautiful Real Bouquet tote bag. And the material feels nice and sturdy. And then my girls are gonna get their Crayola fruit snacks. So this was a nice little haul. But this bag is absolutely gorgeous. Love, 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 love it. I actually should have picked up some more just to even give as a gift. Or you know, when you're coming over someone's house and you're bringing some wine, or you're bringing a little present. Boop. And then they ask you, oh, do you want your bag back? No, that's yours. And they don't know that you spent $1 on it, because it looks like it's worth a lot more, right? So until next time, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you soon.